The three inherent powers of the state are the following except A. Police power, B. Power of eminent domain, C. Power of taxation, and D. Power to impeach. So ano daw po ang hindi inherent power ng state? So tatlo dyan, inherent power. Ano yung nag-iisang hindi? Nag-iisang hindi tiyak sa libo-libong duda. Parang ako yun ah. Hindi tiyak, hindi sigurado, hindi sure thing. Charot. Ano po yon? Ano yung hindi kasama sa inherent powers ng state natin? Meron po bang nakakaalam? O sige, may nakita na ako isang sagot. How about the others? Okay. Hmm? Hintayin pa nga natin yung iba. Parang ano, iba-iba yung sagot nyo. May nakikita akong A, may nakikita akong B. Ano kaya? May nakikita akong D. Ano kaya yung tamang sagot? Mga babae kasi sila yung laging tama. Ano ba yung tamang sagot? Okay, correct, Sir Marvin. So the correct answer is letter D, power to impeach. So yung power to impeach po, hindi po siya inherent power ng state. So ano ba yung power to impeach? Yung power to impeach, yung House of Representatives, sila yung may exclusive power lang to initiate all cases of impeachment. And sino-sino yung pwedeng ma-impeach? So pwede ma-impeach yung president, vice president, members of Supreme Court, members of Constitutional Commission, at saka yung ombudsman. And bakit po sila pwedeng ma-impeach? Kapag first, meron silang mga violations sa Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, and other high crimes, or betrayal of public trust. So, yun po yung mga grounds for impeachment. Pero yung impeachment, hindi siya kasama sa inherent power ng state. Kasi tatlo lang yung inherent power ng state. Ano-ano yon? We have police power, power of eminent domain, and power of taxation. So, question nga po, mamili lang sa tatlo. Ano pong power ng state yung nagpo-promote ng public welfare by restraining the use of both liberty and property? Again, ano pong power ng state yung nagpo-promote ng public welfare by restraining the use of both liberty and property? Ang makakasagot, sure napapasa. Ayan, correct, Sir Ariel. That is police power. At humabol nga po si Sir Ras Ras. Ras Ras, ganon. Dear, ay, nadadala ko dito yung ano ko, ha? Okay, correct, Sir Ras Ras din. Ayan, police power po yung correct answer. Again, when we say police power, ito po yung power ng state para i-promote yung public welfare. So, ibig sabihin po, magpo-provide tayo ng mga laws and regulations para maprotektahan yung health, yung safety, welfare ng mga tao sa nasasakupan natin. Eh, paano naman, for example, um, yung state or yung government gusto niyang bilhin yung yung terrace malapit sa kalsada kasi magkakaroon ng road widening. Ano naman pong power yon? Yung kakayahan niyang bilhin yon with just compensation. The ability or the power of the state to take properties for the purpose of public use upon payment of just compensation. What is that power? Correct, Sir Rasras and Ma'am Melay. Ayan, pati si Ma'am Jamila and Ma'am Azil. So that is power of eminent domain. Pero paano po pag hindi binayaran ng just compensation? Makatarungan ba yon? O hindi? So lagi pong tatandaan, for the power of eminent domain, you cannot take private property for public use without just compensation. So lagi pong kapartner ang just compensation. Sapat na kabayaran para dun sa property na kukunin mo. At dapat yung property is for public use. Okay? Eh, how about the power to change or burden people, properties, to raise revenues? Again, the power to charge or burden people or properties to raise revenues. Ano naman po ang tawag doon? Pakilagyan po natin ng number ha, pag magsasagot tayo. Ano po yun? Power to charge or burden people, properties, to raise revenues, to protect people. Correct, Ma'am Azil. So that is power of taxation. Again, recall po tayo. police power, papangalagaan yung public welfare. Ito yung power natin to give mga laws, rules, regulations to protect yung welfare natin. Then yung power of eminent domain naman is the power of the state to take a public property, rather private property for public use with just compensation. And then yung power of taxation to charge or burden people or properties to raise revenues. Okay? Any question po? Pag may tanong po, i-comment lang sa ating comment box section. O wag pong mahihiyang magtanong kung may right med ba nito. Okay, next.